Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you all are doing well. So I'm back with another protective style video for you guys today. So no braiding hair. I'm not going to be using braiding hair for this video. So I'm going to be working with my own natural hair, 100% natural hair braid. Okay, so let's go straight into the video. So I'm going to start by dividing my hair into two, so separating the back section from the front section. Okay, so now I'm going to work on the back section. So I'm going to be doing small size single braids on the back. So right now I'm going ahead to make the section for the first row of box braid. So I'm going ahead to make the section for the first braid, and next I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner and I'm going to be working that into the hair. Next I'm going to follow up with a hair oil and I'm going to apply 2 drops of the oil on the hair. So I'm going ahead to work the oil into my hair. So next I'm going in with my hairbrush to detangle the hair. So next, to tame the flyaways in place and also to help define the root of the hair, I'm going in with an edge fixer and I'm applying that on the root of the hair. So this will help to mold the tiny hairs in place. So now that that is done, I'm going ahead to do the single braid, making sure to hold the hair firm at the root, like firm enough to keep the hair, to give me a long lasting hairstyle, but not too tight to the extent of me giving myself a headache. So getting to the tip of the hair, I'm going to be applying the twist and lock gel on the tip of the hair to help coil the hair. So I'm going to be coiling the tip of the braid using the the twist and lock gel. Okay, so to get the hair to look full without using braiding hair extension, you need to make sure that the next braid you place on top falls between the space on the bottom, just like I'm doing in this video. So this will give the hair a fuller look without any extra or additional hair. So like I said, I'm not going to be using braiding hair for this hairstyle because I'm planning on wearing this hairstyle under my wig as well. So I want something flat, not bulky. So something I can wear by itself. I can just style by itself on the days I don't feel like putting on my wig. And if I feel like putting on a wig, it will still look flat. So here's how the hairstyle is looking so far. So as you can see right here, the very back of the braids are looking really full, but when you lift it up, you can see the space between each row. But when you drop the hair down, you can see it cover up the space. So this is what you want. You want to make sure that the next braid you place on top falls in between the space on the bottom, so as to give you a more fuller looking hairstyle or hair braids without having to add additional hair. Please hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so that way whenever I post a new video you will get notified. So I'm done with the back section, so now I'm going to be working on the front section. So right here I was like, okay, at the beginning I was just gonna do like a straight all back hairstyle. So during the process of braiding my hair, I changed my mind. I decided to do um, a middle part, but I wasn't feeling the hairstyle because it's more like an everyday look. So I decided to just change it into a side hat. But so during the process of braiding this third row right here, something pops up in my head. The inner voice in my head was like, why do you want to do a plain looking side part? Why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? So I had a whole conversation while doing this cornrows. Oh, I decided to just go with it, let my inner thoughts take over my hairstyle. And this is what I'm going to be showing you guys. So I kind of visualize what the final result will be, and I liked it. I mean, actually, I loved it. So I decided to just go with it. So right here, I'm going ahead to make a session for the fourth cornrow in front. So I'm going to be sectioning off the hair and putting it aside. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this part, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going ahead to twist the hair to get it out of the way for the next row. Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and make the next row. Also for this session, I'm going to be doing the single braid, tiny single braids for this, for the session that I'm sectioning off right now. Okay, so now I'm going ahead to do the tiny single braids. Also making sure not to pull any strands from the other sessions, like the section on top and the one on the bottom. So I'm paying attention to what I'm doing to ensure that I do not pull any strands from those sessions. Okay, so I'm done doing these tiny single braids. So as you can see right here, very neat. So now I'm going to be doing the crisscross method. So one coming down, one going up, the other one coming down, going up, just like that. So there you go. All right, so now I'm going to be adding those single braids to this cornrow right here. So also I make sure to brush my edges towards the hair that I'm going to be braiding. I don't want excess hair in front, any unnecessary tiny edges poking out on the front of my hair. So I make sure to brush them in using the edge fixer. Okay, so right now I'm going ahead to add the first tiny single braid and continue braiding. So I just add the single braids as I braid along. So doing the same thing, once I get to the tip of the hair, I'm going to be twisting the tip of the hair and sealing in the coils or coiling the tip of the hair using the twist and lock gel. Well, there you go. So I use this design on the rest of the session for the front. Look at that. Beautiful, super neat hairstyle. Perfect for everyday look, perfect for just like I'm going to the store, I'm going to a party. It's just perfect. So if you want a more longer length braid, you can add in braiding extension if you want to. Like I said, I want to be able to wear this hairstyle just like this for the days I don't feel like put it on my wig. And also if I want to put on my wig, I want to make sure that the hairstyle is flat and not bulky. So also, keeping in mind that a hairstyle like this takes a whole lot of time. It's not the regular simple side part on the wig hairstyle. It's a stylish, natural, protective hairstyle that you can wear outside. You can wear anywhere you're going with your natural hair, and you can also style it. Adding some braiding hair if you want to. But what I'm trying to say is that it's not the kind of hairstyle you will finish in 2 hours. Okay. At the point I was asking myself, why did I choose to go with this hairstyle? Because it took a whole lot of time. My fingers, my arm, my neck, everything was feeling the stress because it took that long for me to finish up the hairstyle. And also when I'm doing my hair, I take my time. I don't rush the process. So it might take a less time if you have someone else doing it for you because they're just trying to finish up your hairstyle, unlike you doing it yourself, like taking a break to go eat, taking a break to go do one or two things in the house. So that kind of takes a lot more time than just like focusing. I want to finish this head right now and that's it. you know Okay, let's take a little break and hit the thumbs up button. And also, if you're new, please hit the subscribe button down below. Okay, especially the thumbs up button. So this will let YouTube know that you like this video and will push it out to other people that are looking for natural hairstyle that it can do. So click on the thumbs up button to help other people discover this video. Okay, all right, let's go back into the main video. So right now I'm working on the last cornrow and doing the same thing, adding the single braid as I braid along. Okay, so I'm done right now. I'm just going ahead to remove excess oil from my face. All right, guys, so this is the final result right here. Look at this. Look at this braid design. I love it. I love it. I love this look right here. It is super flat. I can put on a wig if I want to, and I can just style it like this. It's perfect, just perfect. All right, guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so that way whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.